Hey guys, PBEffect here. Today we're going to make a Lego Volcano following on from our last video, the Lego Big Bang. If you haven't watched it already, make sure you do watch it. And we're going to make the Lego Volcano erupt, and so stick around till the end. Make sure you like, comment down below and subscribe. Let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to the build stage. So essentially what we're going to do is we're going to kind of create an incline, so it kind of makes the volcano shape, and every maybe 3 layers we'll go one in, and then we'll kind of just scatter the numbers. So let's get started. I'm actually going to start by building the top, and then I'm going to go all the way back down, so it's going to look good. And yep, let's continue building.
Later.
Hey guys, as you can see, it's finished. I've used like around 16 to 17 layers, and as I showed before, the previous model that I time-lapsed was actually, it wasn't the full model, and I've made a lot of changes, as you can see. And so this took me around an hour to build. If you keep on overlapping again and again, then yeah, that actually works really well. And this is the finished product. And if you can see, there's a small base plate at the top, which I'm going to put a kind of powder inside. And after that, if I put water into it, then it basically just fizzes up, and it's going to be really nice. And so hope you guys are looking forward to the eruption. So basically, I've got this thing called ENO, which I'm going to use for the explosion. So I'm just going to, it's a kind of powder that I'm just going to sprinkle on the top of it. And when it comes in contact with water, it literally just bubbles up. And so I'm just going to cut the lid off. Hopefully I don't spoil anything. Oh, okay. I'm actually just going to go a little to the side, because this bubbles up. I don't want to be close. Okay, so I'm gonna add my food dye to the water. What I found out was that if you put food coloring in water and pour it on Lego, before I thought it would like get stained and everything, but if I move the volcano after the eruption really quickly and wipe it dry, nothing will happen. So I'm using that knowledge to do this. Okay, now just wait for it to just mix it. I'm actually just going to mix it with the scissors. Okay. I'm going to do a countdown. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember, there's another alternative for this packet, and that is baking soda and citric acid. You get similar reaction. And as always, hope you're creative at home and just don't blow up your house. And yeah, if you haven't already, please watch my Big Ben episode. I make a Lego Big Ben, and there's a light show as well. So yeah. That's it for today. I'll see you in my next episode. Goodbye.